Morning everyone. So during this semester, for one, I am dealing power quality subject. Power quality subject. The course name is power quality. The course code for this one is 15A0 2709. 2709. The objective of the subject. The objective of the subject is power quality issues. Power quality issues, whatever the issues that related to the power quality issues and standards. The first subject is power quality issues and standards. Next one is what are the sources of power quality disturbances. Power quality disturbances. Source of power quality disturbances. So at the same time, what are the transients occur in the power system? Transients occur in the power system. So another objective is the harmonics. Another objective is harmonics. So here the harmonics, in case here two types. What are the sources of harmonics? Sources of harmonics. Next, further case, if harmonics are occur, what are the devices for controlling the harmonics? Devices for controlling the harmonics. The final objective of this subject is the principal operation of some devices. Principal operation of dynamic voltage restorer. DVR means dynamic voltage restorer, and UPQC. UPQC means unified power quality conditioner. Unified power quality conditioner. These are the four main objectives for the subjects. Next we go for the syllabus. The unit 1. Unit 1. So the complete unit 1 is related to the power quality terms and definitions and classifications and power quality standards and measurements. That means definition of power quality. Definition of power quality. Next, power quality terminologies. Power quality terminologies. So next, what are the classifications of power quality issues? What are the classification of power quality issues? Classification of power quality issues. Next, it's a graphical representation manner. It's a graphical manner. So on power quality standards, what are the standards we can maintain the quality of the power? Power quality standards. And the measurement for this one, we have two curves are there. That one is CDMA curve and ITI curve. ITI curve. These are the topics that related to the unit 1. That means unit 1 is completely related to the basics of the power qualities. That means definition of the power qualities, what are the terminologies means, what are the terminologies, and likewise what are the sag, swell and voltage interruptions, like that. what is the voltage quality is equal to current quality, or what are the classification for power quality issues, what are the disturbances. The disturbances can be represented in a graphical manner, and power quality standards and measurement of power quality standards. So next, unit 2. Unit 2, in this unit we can go for transients. We can go for transients. So in this transients also two types are there: short duration transients, long duration transients. Short duration transients, long duration transients. So next, what are the types of transients occur in the power systems? Types of transients occur in the power system. Types of transients occur in the power system. We have some terminologies, that is sag. Sag means voltage reduction. Swell, voltage increases. And interruption. Interruption means totally cut off. So, and also some terminologies like that: under voltage, over voltage, and outage. The under voltage, over voltage, outage, and power quality disturbances. Power quality disturbances. And finally, in this unit we have to be voltage regulators, and what are the devices controlling for voltage regulators. Voltage regulators and devices for voltage regulation. Devices for voltage regulation. This is about unit 2, completely related to the transients. That is also the main objective. So next we can go for the third unit. The third unit is completely related to the harmonics. Completely related to the harmonics. So sources of harmonic, what are the harmonic distortion? So voltage versus current distortion, harmonic versus transients, so sinusoidal conditions and non-sinusoidal conditions. Non-sinusoidal and sinusoidal conditions. So harmonic indices, that means measurement. Harmonic indices. So next, sources. What are the sources for harmonics? Sources of harmonics, that is from commercial loads or industrial loads. Commercial loads or industrial loads. And harmonics distortion evolution. Harmonic distortion evolution. So finally, controlling the harmonic distortion. How to controlling the harmonic distortion. Controlling the harmonic distortion. This is related about the third unit, that is what are the harmonics, what are the harmonic distortion, what are the voltage and current distortion under non-sinusoidal condition, sinusoidal condition, harmonic indices, sources, and harmonic distortion evolution and controlling. So next, unit 4. Next, unit 4. So unit 4 is power quality monitoring. Monitoring. So power quality monitoring means the concept is power quality benchmarking. Power quality benchmarking. Choosing the monitoring location. Choosing the monitoring location. Equipments for monitorings. Equipments for monitoring. Power quality monitoring instruments. What are the power quality monitoring instruments? What are the power quality monitoring instruments? Next, equipment types. Equipment types. Power quality monitoring standards. Power quality monitoring standards. These are the topics that related to the fourth unit. So next, so finally fifth unit. Fifth unit is devices. Power quality enhancement using custom power devices. Custom power devices. What are the custom power devices? Are the custom power devices? The types of devices. The types and the dynamic voltage restorer mainly. Dynamic voltage restorer, that is DVR, and principal operation of unified power quality conditioner. Quality conditioner UPQC. These are the topics that related to the unit 5. These are the 5 units and the main objectives are these 4. So main objectives are power quality issues, standards, sources of transients, harmonics, principal operation of DVR and UPQC. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, we can start the classes from tomorrow onwards. This is the introduction about the total subjects, so we can detailedly discuss topic wise. So thank you for watching.